Welcome back to History in One Take. This series explores the Viking Ring Fortresses, monuments of order and ambition built over 1,000 years ago. Today we step into the misty fields of Western Zealand, where a perfect circle rises from the earth. This is Trelleborg, the king's fortress of symmetry and strength. The morning mist hangs low over Western Zealand. As the sun rises, a perfect circle begins to reveal itself, a shape so precise that even today, it feels almost impossible. This is Trelleborg, a Viking ring fortress built around the year 980, during the reign of King Harald Bluetooth. A fortress of order, symmetry, and power. Trelleborg sits on a natural ridge between two small rivers. This location was not chosen by chance. The Vikings understood terrain deeply: water for transport, elevation for defense, and open fields for visibility. When you stand here today, the landscape feels quiet. But in the Viking Age, this place was alive with movement. Warriors, craftsmen, traders, families, all passing through the same ground you see now. Trelleborg's design is astonishing. A perfect circle, 137 meters across. 4 gates aligned with mathematical precision. A deep ditch surrounding the rampart. And inside the circle, 16 longhouses arranged like spokes on a wheel. Every angle, every measurement, every placement was intentional. This was not improvisation. This was engineering, Viking engineering at its highest level. Trelleborg was part of a larger system, the Viking Ring Fortresses. Aggersborg in the north. Fyrkat in the center of Jutland. Nonnebakken near Odense. Borgring near Koge. And Trelleborg here on Zealand. Together they formed a network built during a time of political change. Harald Bluetooth was unifying Denmark, strengthening royal control, and introducing Christianity. These fortresses were symbols, not of chaos but of order. Inside Trelleborg's longhouses, life followed a strict rhythm. Warriors trained. Craftsmen shaped wood and iron. Families cooked over open fires. Children learned skills they would carry into adulthood. The longhouses were identical in size and layout, a sign of organization rarely seen in Viking settlements. Everything here served a purpose. This was not a village. This was a controlled military and administrative center. Today, visitors can walk through reconstructed longhouses near the fortress. The smell of timber, the dim light, the heavy beams, all give a sense of how life felt inside these walls. These reconstructions are based on real archaeological evidence. Post holes, burned beams, and debris found during excavations. Nothing is guesswork. Everything is grounded in what was found in the soil. Despite its size and precision, Trelleborg was used for only a short time. Archaeologists believe it may have been abandoned within a decade. Some suggest political changes. Others point to shifting military needs. Some believe the fortress was simply too costly to maintain. The truth remains uncertain. Trelleborg stands as both a masterpiece and a mystery. Excavations at Trelleborg uncovered something rare: weapons, arrowheads, and signs of conflict. This suggests that at least one battle took place here. The fortress may have been attacked, or defended, during a turbulent period in Danish history. It is one of the few ring fortresses with physical evidence of combat. Today, Trelleborg is one of the most visited Viking sites in Denmark. The museum, the reconstructed village, and the fortress itself offer a glimpse into a world that shaped Scandinavia. When you walk the ramparts, you feel the scale. When you stand in the center, you feel the symmetry. And when you look across the fields, you feel the presence of the past. Trelleborg is more than a fortress. It is a message carved into the landscape, a message of power, precision, and ambition. This was Trelleborg, the Viking Ring Fortress. A perfect circle built by a king, used for a moment and remembered for a millennium. Thank you for watching History in One Take. If you enjoyed this chapter in the Viking Ring Fortress series, consider subscribing. A new episode is coming soon.